Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Doordash Red Card. So first things first guys, you want to do this, okay? If you want to use the Dasher Red Card, if you want to use it, you would got to add it to your iOS Apple Wallet or your Google Play wallet, okay? So if you're on your iOS, what you want to do, first, of course, if you have the Dasher Red Card, okay, once you have it, what you want to do is you want to go to account tab of your Dasher app, and then you want to tap on Dash your red card right here, and then you'll see this options pop up. You just want to click on add to Apple Wallet, and then when they prompt you to choose a device, just select your phone name and your card information would automatically populate. Just accept the terms and conditions, and once you'll be successfully added, your Dasher red card tab should actually show as active in Apple Wallet. Okay, it's literally that easy and simple, guys. And if you are doing this on Google Play Store, okay, an Android device, you need to use the Google Play Store, right? So this is what you do, guys, okay? So you need to have the Google Play Store installed, okay? You can use Google Pay. So you just open the Play Store, search Google Pay, and install it if you haven't already. And then what you want to do is add the virtual red card to your Dasher app. So in the Dasher app, you just want to open the three dot menu right here. Okay, open the three dot menu, and then what you want to do, guys, is tap on red card right here. You want to tap on red card right there, tap on that, and then you just want to tap on add to GPay. Click on that, and then basically you're just going to be adding a payment card, and then you wait for the card information to automatically fill in. If they prompt you for an address, just input your address and proceed, accept the terms and condition and the issuer terms. And basically, once you've successfully added it, guys, your red card should now show as active in Google Pay. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Comment down below if you're still having trouble, and I'll help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you